Hi, welcome. This is Marta Vale with Realty One Group MVP. I'm here at my listing at an open house at 6070 National Boulevard, unit number 213. It's a Diangelo floor plan, a beautiful condo with this gorgeous view here. You see the lake view behind me. You see the golf course here. Somebody just left. They were just playing here. And then the preserve view. It's really beautiful and very restful. So let me show you the condo and tell you more about it. It comes with a golf membership, so stay tuned. So we're here in front of building 2, which is also where the model condos are. And this one is really beautiful. The garage is right here. You have a 1-car detached garage with a veranda units and 1 parking space right in front of it. This is here the view towards the side. This is National Boulevard going towards the gate. This is a gated guarded community. And then this is the garage. So it's epoxy flooring, just repainted. And through the garage or through the side over here, you get right away to the unit. This is a Diangelo floor plan, 2 bedrooms plus den. 1,366 square feet. As you come here, you have a screened in front porch. Really nice with this large pan. It's a great place to just sit around and relax with your visitors. It's also very private because of the garages right here. So as you come in, you see it's all tiled throughout. It's beautifully painted with crown molding. Right away to the right, you have the guest room. Here. You have again a fan right here, the view of the front porch, also curtains over here, and then right away the second bathroom. Here, nice tile, very nicely maintained, very clean and beautiful. Right away here, the laundry area. Washer and dryer come with the unit. And the veranda condos also have impact windows, so you don't need to worry about that either. This is the master bedroom. Again with a fan, nicely painted. 2 walk-in closets over here. Here's one, and the second one right here, a little bit bigger, with some extra shelving. And then here, a linen closet. And then this is here, the master bathroom, dual sink, and the shower. And also crown molding all here as well. So let me show you the rest. Here you have the living area, and you see this beautiful chair rail and the 2-tone on the paint. In the back you have the dining area with a nice beautiful chandelier, 2 beautiful pendants. Here the kitchen area. The kitchen is really large and the island is very, very large in the Diangelo floor plan. And you have basically 2 pantries, one here and one over here as well. So that's great. And then right away to the right here, you have the den. And again, also here, a fan and a tray ceiling. I'll show you the pantry. Nice size. And then over here, the dining area with the beautiful chandelier over here, and then light. And this second pantry, basically. Really great. Really like how this is also painted over here. And also see it over here. Really pretty. Very nice. Also here curtains and swings. A fan outside, screened-in back porch. And this is where you can really enjoy the view. There's again someone playing. Feels very private. You have the pond, golf course over there, the preserve. Really pretty. I hear there are also deer coming here at night, passing by. Please give me a call about buying or selling an Ave Maria, resales or new construction, or renting, or also about the community in general or the various small communities. The National is really nice. I will attach a link to the video that I made about the amenities at the National. There's the resort-style pool with the poolside bar and grill, the pickleball courts, tennis courts, bocce ball, awesome gym, the golf course right here. So the clubhouse is being built right now. So I hope to welcome you soon in Ave Maria. Thank you and God bless you.